we gotta check this upper rib. It was way out of whack and it's still cranked. So on this one, to get the right angle, you have to bring your head a little further over, and then it's just a little rotation to there, and it's a quick push here. It's gonna sound louder because it's closer to your ears, but we're just getting the joint.
Easy. Oh my goodness.
Now we got some space to work with. Let me see this there. And we're just going to do a little cleanup on the back side. There's just a quick push here. Now these instantly go slack, see, so they don't have to pull and pull and pull. Do one more up top here, just a little kind of compressed down that way. So let's have you bite together. I'm going to give you just a small tug. Not too bad, good.
Wow, I felt